In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook cover video to your business page so you too can place yourself right up here. And we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White and welcome back to VideoZeus. If you want to learn how to spend less time making more videos, start by clicking that subscribe button now. Today, we're talking about Facebook cover videos for your business page, how to create one, and what to consider showing in that video. You've seen these cover videos on other pages, and it's certainly a nice feature to further enhance your business page that is often overlooked by many business pages. It's your own video billboard along the super information highway, and it will retain more attention on your business page and be the first thing a visitor sees. Now, you may have heard the phrase, if a photo is worth 1,000 words, then, well, a video is certainly worth 1,000,000. Makes it hard to deny the visual appeal when compared to a traditional still photo cover on your business page, which is typically your logo or stock photo, let's be real. As you can see, the standard business page becomes a lot more appealing as the video banner begins to autoplay without sound. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty to prepare your video for upload to your Facebook business page. You'll want to plan your video length to be between 20 and 90 seconds, with the video file size less than 1.7 gigabytes, which is massive, by the way. Your video file should never be that big. The preferred file type is a .mov or a .mpeg-4, so make sure of that before you upload, because if your video is too short, too long, or too big, you'll have to re-upload it within the parameters. The recommended resolution or video size is 820 by 462 pixels with a minimum size of 820 by 312. Typically in this day and age, most videos are HD. If you don't have any videos at all, consider recording footage with your phone. Horizontal, of course. You can capture the exterior of your building, the sign, the lobby, staff interaction, then edit those videos right on your phone. You can see my most recommended video editing apps at the link up top or available in the show notes below. Now that you're ready to upload your Facebook cover video from a browser, be sure you're logged into Facebook and navigate to your business page. Once on your business page, click Add a Cover or Change Cover in the top left of your cover photo or video. Next, locate and select your video file to upload or choose from videos you've already uploaded to your page. After the video has been uploaded, reposition the video by clicking it and dragging it up or down. Once you have it positioned in the best spot, click Next. Select to automatically replay your video in a loop, then select a thumbnail for your video. Then click Publish. And if you haven't already downloaded my Before You Shoot guide, please follow the link in the show notes below. The guide will prove as a useful resource for each and every one of your video creations. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a like. And if you want to watch more videos just like this one, then hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss the release of our new videos. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos.